Hi love! Papunta nga pala kami ngayon ni Senny sa free pantry. Kaya tara, samahan nyo kami. Pero sa isang free pantry to tingnan nyo. Iba yung ano ngayon, yung view. Kasi sa isang free pantry tayo pupunta. Pakita ko lang sa inyo ngayon yung ibon bago tayo tuluyang pumunta sa free pantry. Kasi ang lalaki ng ibon dito love. Wait lang, daanan natin. So, ayan yung mga ibon love. Malalaki sila. Medyo maingay lang kasi may dalawang ano dito. Nagtetrim ng damo. So, yun yung isa. Ito yung isa. So, medyo maingay. Lapitan lang natin. So, ayan yung mga ibon love. Ang lalaki niyan. Ayan. Ang laki din ng mga ano nila. Ng mga sipit nila. Or tuka. Hindi ko na masyadong nilapitan. Zinom ko na lang kasi baka lumipad. Wow! Nag-earthy! Nag-earthy si Sen. Inalis niya yung tsinelas niya. Sobrang ganda nga ng view dito love. As in, literal. Sobrang ganda at sobrang presko ng hangin. Ang lamig. Nakalimutan ko nga mag-jacket. Mamaya na lang ako mag-jacket kapag binalikan namin yung eco bag. Di naman kami nagmamadali. Pero may post na dyan sa free pantry. Mamaya na lang kami kukuha. Sobrang ganda. Ang ganda magpainit. Love, naglalakad na ako papuntang free pantry. Nauna na ako kay Sen kasi sabi niya maglalakad-lakad daw muna siya. So, ayan love, malapit na tayo. Nakakahiya mag-video, nandyan yung may-ari. Try ko na lang if kaya ko. Good morning! Dito natin sa sarap.
I'm just thinking now that the next birthday is 12 and then I have
Ang laki naman nito.
person
Gusto
that says
kong
I'm a
kunin.
teenager in the house and that's gonna
Ang
happen in my
kalabasa. Si
living
Senny na lang papakunin ko yan.
I can't believe 12 like each other. That's just real.
It's already it's in the boot. I didn't take the stuff out.
It seems like
Si Mami.
the Kindy days each other. He's linked.
Yeah.
But which Blake got this year?
Mr. Thomas.
Mr. Thomas.
Oops.
We asked for him. Blake had him in year 2 for a fleeting moment.
Kunin mo
and then
yung malaking
that's when he was Alex.
kalabasa. Papakuha ko kay Sen.
Oh, Blake is loving it.
Yeah.
Absolutely loving it. So
There's some busiest speeches. And how this cat though?
loved it.
Yeah, Cello. I was so surprised. I thought I was waiting for that call.
Did she stay over?
She did.
Yes, okay.
Because she wasn't sure either. She was just going to play
Yeah.
I was so proud of her, but she went away.
Oh, sweet.
Took medication, took everything, prepared it,
Yeah.
had a plan. And what he said was, like the short place, like really talking in a different place. She's like, she's still waiting, not going to wait for us.
Yeah.
I had to have round the clock sort of checks on her. But I was waiting. 10:30 I got a message and a photo of her asleep. So that just made me feel like, okay, but yeah, I really thought I was going to get a call and say, yeah. I said, tell everything that I'll come whatever time and I'll drop you back in the morning.
Yeah.
But she ended up loving it.
Oh, sweet.
Yeah, so yeah, it was good for them, I think. Good, but she came back, did a bit of a crash when she came back.
Yes, Blake as well.
Yeah,
He was knackered.
exhausted. But her confidence really picked up. Like a week after camp, really she was, yeah, because she loses that every now and then. I think it's hard for girls.
So sure, I remind you. They keep it ours.
yeah, socially, I think she struggles like just belonging and fitting in.
Thank you.
So, but with camp, they did the different groups, and I said to them, look, she really needs to branch away from that group, because even though the group at that age group, they get a bit, you know, what the same as what they did with Winter, just quite. Yeah, she just doesn't really fit in, like birthday parties and that, she doesn't get the invites and things like that, which is really hard. But I said for camp, if you can try and put her in like different groups to sort of make, she won't go to people. So, and they did that, and I think that just really, really helped.
Thank you.
She came home and started,
Sobrang dami ngayon, love. Pinakuha kay Senny yung kalabasang malaki. So, ayan. Pauwi na ako. Hindi ko alam kung na-video ko ba talaga ng buo or di ko alam kung napakita ko sa inyo yung mga laman ng free pantry at mga nakuha ko. Kasi ni low brightness ko yung phone kasi nahihiya ako mag-video. So, ayun. Pupunta niyan kami ni Sally. Mag-grocery kami. Bibili kami ng tag dito. Minced beef tsaka minced pork. So, yun lang. Bye, love. Salamat sa pagsama. So, ayan, love. Nandito na nga kami sa ngayon. Hindi to Woolies, pero malapit lang naman dito yung Woolies. So, bibili kami ng isang itlog. Tapos, ito. Ang mura lang kasi dito, love. Ayan, naka-sale silang lahat. Tig $2 yung papaya.
Naka-clearance.
Oo, naka-clearance sila. Tapos ito, lang, $0.99 lang. O, parang halos $1 na rin. Tapos, sobrang dami nilang dito. Tag dito, sobrang mura ng mga gulay. So, balak kong bumili nito kasi lulutuin ko pagka-uwi. Tig 4.49 siya. Yung mga nandito kasi is mga pasira na, may damage, ganyan. So, kuha tayo ng isa. Ito, mas okay pa to. Saan pa bit-bit nga? Natatai pa ako. So, ayan, ang daming dyan, mura Kaso, nakakuha kami ng ganito kanina sa free pantry. Mga sibuyas, tig $3. Yan. Ito 1 cents lang yan. Mais. Nakalimutan namin kumuha ng cart. Ayun, patula. Gusto mo?
Lanta.
Lanta na. Ito rin pang abraw. Kaso hinog na rin. Ito orange tig $2. Ano to? White corn, yellow. Ay, kala ko white corn. So, ito lang yung bibilin muna namin dito ngayon. At magto-toilet ako after. Tapos, dadaan kami ng Woolies. Ayan. Papunta na kami sa pagbabayaran. Tignan nyo to, yung nakuha ko sa free pantry kanina. Kumuha ko ng ganito isa. Tig siya $3.99. $4 na rin. Pero pag dalawa binili mo is $6 siya. 'Di ba? Ang laki ng natitipid namin sa sa free pantry. So, ayun, love. Hindi ko napakita. Nag-toilet ako kanina, then dumaan kaming Woolies. So, ito yung binili namin ni Sen. Tubig, tapos ito. Gusto niya daw yan i-try. Ay, sorry. Gusto niya daw yan i-try yung, yung may cheese flavor. Tapos, ayan, flushable wipes. Oo, so, yun lang naman yung binili namin doon. Hindi kami nakabili ng ng chicken at saka meat. Doon na lang kami sa Spud Shed bibili. So, ayan, uuwi na kami ngayon. Tapos, magluluto kami ng ampalaya.